pangalawa ko sa mga taong tumulo. Siyempre sa Barangay Council, headed by ang ama ng Barangay Puting, headed by Cap Jing Servillon. Ayun, muli at sa aking SK Council na masisipag, sa mga volunteers, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat po ng patuloy na sumusuporta ko sa Barangay Council at sa SK Council, huwag po kayong magsawang sumuport po para po sa amin. Muli, maraming salamat po at welcome po sa Buting SKD 2024.
To the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy up. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style.
And we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. And we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Raw, time to go off, gone, deuces goodbye, I got a world to see.
Simula na ng SK, yung pangako nila. Sana sportsmanship, kailangan natin. Kasi pagka nasakpo kayo sa away, alam nyo na yung rules. Ibabang na kayo, ibabarangay pa kayo. Ha? Sige, maraming salamat sa inyo. Good luck sa inyo lahat.
He was watching, I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching. I said.